And everybody, good morning again. Namin dito sa call. Just went to school. Magkano sa amin? Mag-change shoes because namin red carpet rin. Mag-change shoes at magkuha may ang sapatos. Give me my shoes. Kung samba, baby. Sambang Going to the second floor. Nasa likod karon swimming class. Look at the swimming pool. It's foggy. Oh my god. It's so wet. Morning, Ayi. Stairway to... We're going to the second floor. Char. Maglaminate. Ikaw, maglaminate ka ron, han? Maglaminate ka hapon. Gawa ko laminate. Daghan kami. Money ang
printing room. So this is where
printing room. We print. We go at the bond paper and everything. And this is the TV, guys. Alright, everybody. Update tomorrow. Mag-print sa mi ay. Kung maka-print, mag-laminate mi kan para lesson. Lesson! Char! Sana all nag-prepare of lesson. Okay. See you.